In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Assistant in Perplexity Comet Browser. This is a quick, simple setup, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get the Assistant working right away. Start by opening the Perplexity Comet Browser and accessing your Perplexity account. If you're already signed in, you should land on your home page, the main dashboard you see when you open Perplexity. That's the page we need because the control to enable the Assistant is located there. Now, look toward the top right corner of your home page. That area holds key quick access controls. Among them, you'll see an option labeled Assistant. This is Perplexity's built-in helper that supports you as you browse, offering conversational answers and context while you work. It's placed in the top right so you can turn it on without navigating through deeper settings. To enable it, simply click Assistant. That's all you need to do. In most cases, the Assistant activates immediately. You'll usually notice a small visual cue, perhaps the button highlights, a toggle shifts to the on position, or a brief confirmation appears, letting you know it's now active. Once it's on, the Assistant is ready to help within Comet, making it easier to find answers and stay focused while you explore content. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Interface updates can change the look slightly, but the Assistant control stays at the top right of the home page and is clearly labeled. The two essentials are that you're signed into your account and that you're viewing the home page. That's when the Assistant option appears where you need it. A couple of quick tips can make this even smoother. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the change applies right away. And if you recently installed or updated Comet, give the browser a brief moment to finish loading features before you click Assistant. That short pause helps everything initialize cleanly. Let's recap so it's crystal clear. Open the Perplexity Comet browser and access your Perplexity account to reach the home page. Look to the top right corner for the option labeled Assistant. Click it once to enable. When you see the visual cue that it's on, you're finished. That's the entire process, fast, direct, and designed to keep powerful help just a click away. With Assistant enabled, you're set up to browse more efficiently and get insights with less effort. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined experience with Perplexity Comet.